sick and tired of talking to Americans from California to Maine who simply cannot afford the outrageous high prices of health insurance in this country. I am tired of talking to doctors who tell me that they lose patients because by the time their patients walk into their office, it is too late because they delayed going into the doctor's office because they had no health insurance or they were underinsured. I am tired of talking to families who have suffered bankruptcy because a family member ended up in the hospital with a bill of a few $100,000 that family could not pay. Health care is a human right, not a privilege. The function of a rational health care system is to provide health care to all in a cost-effective way, not to make billions in profits for the insurance industry. Now, let me be very clear. The insurance companies will spend hundreds of millions of dollars to protect their profits. There will be ugly ads on television telling you Bernie Sanders wants to do this, that, and the other thing. But understand, those ads are paid for people whose greed is destroying the lives of millions of Americans.
This isn't some game. People die every year in America due to lack of coverage, and the estimates are staggering. It is estimated that upwards of 45,000 people in America die per year due to lack of coverage. But notice how I said in America, because there are a lot of countries that already guarantee healthcare to all of their people as a right. And thus, their people do not lose their lives due to lack of health coverage. That seems like the morally right thing to do, does it not? To make sure one's people are healthy and well? And yet, we here in America do not do that. And as a result, as aforementioned, we lose a lot of people per year due to lack of coverage. Moreover, a less broached aspect of the healthcare debate is that a lot of people go bankrupt due to medical expenses, which would not be a thing if we joined the many countries around the world and guaranteed healthcare to all of our people as a right. In truth, if we did, nobody would go bankrupt because everybody would be covered. You know, it is just beyond unbelievable to me, the greed of the drug companies and the health insurance companies in this country. Now, the media and seemingly most of our politicians in Washington make it seem as if the idea of guaranteeing healthcare to all of our people as a right is some radical idea, and that it would cost too much. But don't be fooled. Medicare for All, the universal healthcare plan Bernie Sanders introduced, would reportedly save we the American people a ton of money. So, in short, Bernie's Medicare for All bill would guarantee healthcare to all, significantly reduce the amount of money we spend as a country on healthcare, and save the many people we lose per year due to lack of coverage. It's honestly a no-brainer.